All right. Okay. Good morning, students. Good morning, teacher. How are you today? I'm very well, thank you. And you? I am okay today. And today is Monday. Students, do you know what colors are Monday? Monday is yellow. Okay, Monday is yellow. What is your school name? Supanari School. Where is Supanari School? And where do you live? Where are you from? Okay, so Supanari School. Who is your school director? Who is your homeroom teacher? Okay, and who is your English teacher? Teacher Zana, I'm 41 years old. How old are you? How old are you, Tomin? How old are you, Get? How old are you, Malin? Okay, everyone, this week we are learning about sounds around us. Okay, listen. What do you hear from me? I hear a cat. I hear a cat. Next one. What do you hear? I hear a cow. So today I'm gonna let you start to listen. Use your ear to listen, and then you can see later. Okay, everyone, touch your eyes. Raise your eyes. 2 hands up to them. Touch your ears, touch your nose, and touch your lips, touch your arms, touch your hips, touch your knees, touch your toes. Hands up, hands down, hands up, down, up, down, up, left, right. Okay, so it's the thing. Clap your hands one time. Clap your hands 5 times. Clap your hands 10 times. Good job. Okay, I'm a boy. I'm a girl. Okay, boys and girls. Okay, so we start from this music video. Use your eye to see, use your ear to hear, and listen. Okay, okay? Here we go. What do you hear? Yes, just a moment. Here a cat.
Pig.
That's it. Here we go. Look at here.
Listen, listen. What do you hear?
What do you hear? Listen.
I hear a duck, 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 duck. I hear a duck.
I hear a dog. Next.
Listen, listen. What do you hear?
Next to your ear.
I hear a cat, 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 cat. I hear a cat. Listen, listen. What do you hear?
What do you hear?
I hear a duck, 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 duck. I hear a duck. There's a dog. There's a cat. A dog again. There's a duck.
So many ducks.
Listen, listen. What do you hear? I hear a rooster, 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 rooster. I hear a rooster.
Rooster is female chicken. Next one.
Listen, listen. What do you hear? I hear a pig, 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 pig. I hear a pig. Listen, listen. What do you hear?
Oh,
I hear an elephant, 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 elephant. I hear an elephant. Elephant?
elephant.
Pig. And a rooster. The cat. I hear a duck. Ooh, there's a dog.
So many animals you can't hear.
Cat. It's a dog. Cat.
Alright, so many animals that you can hear. And listen, next step, I will let you guess it. Please, no talking. You can hear someone keep talking. He's talking. Okay, so next step, I'm gonna let you look, listen, and guess what do you hear. Okay? So on the board, I'm gonna write the word. What? Everyone repeat after me. What? Do? Can you help me to spell this word? How to spell this word? What the letter is it? Y. Next one. Oh, wow, good. Next. Oh, good. What do you? Next letter. H. E. Next one. And last one. And this one, the last one, when you want to add some people, someone, you're gonna put this question mark. Everyone say question mark. Thương mại không thảm. What do you hear? I hear a pig. Okay, that's the thing. I'm gonna let you look and guess, and then after that, I make a duck sound? เสียงยังไงล่ะเสียงเป็ดร้องดัก Bunny, can you make a duck sound? Next one. What animal is it? Hello. Can you make a monkey sound? Can you make a monkey sound? Ling chắc chắc, lắc chim chim. Ling chắc chắc, lắc chim chim. Và Thảo, can you make a monkey sound? Yep, yep, yep. Next one. Can you make an elephant sound? Wow. Okay. Next one, next one, next one. Lion. Whoa. And last one. What animal is it? Mosquito. Can you make a mosquito sound? Meow. Can you make a mosquito sound? Okay, that's 5 animals. Same sound or different? Same sound or different sound? Not same, not the same. Different sound from different animal. The sound from different animal usually different sound. ไม่เหมือนกันใช่ไหมเสียงไม่เหมือนกัน Not the same. They are made different. Everyone repeat after me. Different. 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 ไม่เหมือนกัน Okay, so today I'm gonna let you walk next step. Listen. And I'm gonna put on the board. Everyone, when I turn on the things, please note. What do you hear? What do you hear? To them. What do you hear? Who is talking? Who is talking? Who is talking? You? You are talking? No? You said no? Okay. I wish you not talking. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my slide. So okay, next video, what do you hear? I'm gonna stick the picture of the things, follow the numbers in order. Yeah. What do you hear? Listen. What do you hear? I hear. Yes, what do you hear? Helicopter? Yeah. What else that you can hear? Jai, what do you hear? You hear an airplane. Good job. Okay. So, an airplane. I'm gonna let you find the airplane. Jai. So I'm gonna put all these things to make sounds around you on the floor. And then when you hear, I'm gonna go call your name, go and pick it, put it on the board. Okay, each one. Alright. Jai. Go and give me the things that you can hear on the ground. Jai, stand up. Which one you can hear? Go and take it. Airplane. Which one is an airplane? Okay. I can say, show your friends on here. What do you hear on time? I hear an airplane. Thank you. Next one, I'm gonna let you listen. Close your eyes. You can hear better sounds. Listen. What do you hear, Bunny?
I hear a piano.
You hear a piano? Okay, go and get the piano. Which picture you can hear from that sound? Okay, still then, now it's time to do the activity. But first of all, I want you to do the big circle. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Here we go.
Time to make a circle. Make a circle. Big, big, big. Small, small, small. Big, big, big. Make a circle. Small, small, small. Hello, hello, hello. Make a circle. Round and round. Round and round. Round and round. Make a circle. Round and round. Hello, hello, hello. Make a circle. Up, up, up. Round and round. Up, up, up. Make a circle. Round, round, round. Now sit down.
One more time.
Make a circle, big, big, big. Small, small, small. Big, big, big. Make a circle, small, small, small. Hello, hello, hello. Make a circle, round and round, round and round, round and round. Make a circle, round and round. Hello, hello, hello. Make a circle, up, up, up. Round and round, make a circle, round, round, round. Now sit down.
one, bottle. Bottle. Boy, beaver, bottle. A box. Box. These two kinds of boxes. You look at the picture and then decide it's a reuse or recycle that you can do with that. Okay, so everyone, now it's almost time to finish and eat. Everybody put your hands together and say thank you, Teacher Sana. Goodbye to you. Have a good day. Are you hungry? Okay, so enjoy your lunchtime. Okay.